Alright, you guys, I just added my green beans, cut green beans, and then I added my favorite potatoes because they are not too big and hard to cut into. I actually cut them with scissors, and I know that's not technical, but I love my mini chopped potatoes. I did wash those with water and vinegar. Alright, next up I have my chicken that I had rinsed off and dried. We're going to just place them nice and flat, just like that, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to make sure we season these chicken, and that's what we will do right after I lay these out. I don't want no one thinking I'm not going to season it, because you know me, I already talk a lot of unnecessary mess for people who don't season their chicken. Alright, so I got these at Albertsons today. I don't understand why these were cheaper. The bigger packet was cheaper than like the packet of 3, which never makes sense to me. But the pack, how much is in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pieces for $9? So it's like $1 a piece of chicken. I was like, why is it so cheap? Alright, so we're gonna gracefully just place this over here. Alright, now I'm gonna bring in the seasoning. Tony's cha-cha-cha. Gotta really make sure we season that chicken. It's gonna come out super yummy, super quick. This is a 1-pan dish that's gonna be excellent for you and your family. Some basil. Some garlic pepper. It's not the original box, but just mix garlic and pepper. It's actually really, really good. Perfect. And a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. I know, you guys, you gotta season the chicken, because once you mix it up, once it's done cooking, it'll also season the potatoes. That's a must. And then the caldo de pollo. I love this seasoning. I'm gonna go in and just sprinkle a little bit. Oh, right. Gonna slice our lemon. We have our little fancy lemon gadget squeezer. And just like that. Gotta pull this out so we can replace it with the other half. And squeeze all that good juice. Oh yeah, this lemon juice smells amazing. Alright, I have a little bit of avocado oil that I'm going to just put on top. Perfect. A little bit of minced garlic. Now you could eat this with mashed potatoes or rice if you would like. It's totally up to you guys. Just gonna sprinkle some mixture. Just gonna mix all that seasoning on top. Perfect. And then I have some sliced mushrooms that we're just going to just place on top. It's gonna really cook and shrivel up when it's all cooking together. The juice of the chicken is going to pour down to the potatoes. The potatoes are going to get nice and soft. It's just going to be a wonderful combination. The whole family can eat off of this. It's pretty hearty, lots of chicken, lots of protein, You got your potatoes, which is a healthy carb. And then your green beans. All right. Perfect. Now we're going to open up and put some classic Alfredo sauce on top. Perfect. Uh-oh. Listen, y'all. That was an accident. Alright, so everything was going good up until then. Alright, so we're going to put this in the oven at 375 for a good 35-40 minutes, because I really like to make sure that the chicken is fully cooked. Everything goes down and mixes all the juices. So we're going to be back, and this is going to be absolutely delicious. Why not add some more seasoning? Alright, we'll see you soon. Alright, you guys, it is done and it smells delicious. Now, I'm excited. Got the green beans, got the potatoes all right and ready to go. Ooh, I don't even know where to start. Okay, that's a big piece of chicken. I'm gonna start on this one. I know it's far back, y'all, but look at those potatoes, that juice. Yes. The mushrooms. Let me get a little bit of that juice. Put it on side of that chicken. It's delicious. Alright. Let it chill for a second, so I didn't burn my mouth this time. Look at that. Chicken is fully cooked. Yes. You get a mushroom, potato. Yeah. This is fire. This came out really good. Oh yeah, I'm super excited. Like, this was amazing. You guys, you and your family would absolutely, I'm gonna eat this off screen because I'm about to enjoy that. But you and your family would absolutely enjoy this one pan healthy dish. Has potatoes, green beans, some chicken, and a little bit of Alfredo sauce. You gotta throw a little something unhealthy, but y'all, this is fire. Go ahead and make this for you and your family, because this is a must.